Greetings, everyone. This is Junior Marvin right here at MX3, Negril, Jamaica. Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Come on, put on your dancing shoes. We're celebrating 21st Bob Marley's birthday bash celebrations at the MX3. So we want you to come along and see Bunny Wailer, Marcia Griffiths, Judy Mowat, Junior Marvin, and many, many other artists promoting and enjoying love, one love, music, universal language. MX3. Today is the 4th. Tomorrow we're going to be here on the 5th. And we're going to have the grand finale on the 6th with the big Bob Marley birthday bash. Bob Marley's birthday. Yes, remember, the king of reggae music. Junior Marvin, one love. All my fans, all the family, all the friends. Love you.